Okay, x plus 50 degree, x plus 50 degree adjacent angle of parallelogram. 150 degree adjacent angle of a parallelogram. So x value is 180 degree minus 50 degree. S equal to 50 150 degree. X equal to 130 degree. Okay, x is 130 degree. So y is the opposite angle of x. Y is the opposite angle of x. So y also, y is equal to is x is equal to 130 degree. Opposite angles. Okay, so please copy this. Okay, so here just see the figure. So we find x, y, z. So first of all, x, this is the 90 degree symbol. So by vertically opposite angle, x equal to 90 degree. By vertically opposite angle. Then I find the value of y. So sum of angles of a triangle or interior angles, okay, or interior triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this is the triangle we draw. See, if we draw it here O, so BOC is one triangle, BOC one triangle. So y plus x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Y plus x is 90 degree plus 30 degree, 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 30, 120 degree. So y is equal to 60 degree. Y equal to 60 degree. Z. Now see the AD. AD is parallel to BC. We already know in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So AD is parallel to BC. And BD is transversal. BD is transversal. BD is transversal. So transversal means by alternate angles, that z is equal to y. So z is equal to y by alternate angles. Alternate angle already we seen as 7th standard. We study about this alternate angle means zz. Okay, suppose this board is there. So if this line is parallel to this line, so this, if you draw one diagonal, so that angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so by alternate angle. So what is the value of z is equal to? Also 60 degree. So x equal to 90 degree, y equal to 60 degree, z is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Yes, class. The next question is, so if the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2, find the measure of each of the angles of parallelogram. Okay, so two ratios, the adjacent angles is given, adjacent angles to be drawn here, one parallelogram, name this A, B, C, D. So any two adjacent angle, AB or AD, you write the 3 ratio, means you write 3x and 2x. Okay, so let the angles be 3x and 2x. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. This is called sum of adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angle. 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree divided by 5. Find the 5 is a 15. 8 minus, sorry, 15. 8 minus 15, 3. 30. 50 minus 8 is 15, 30. 30, 25 is 30. So x value is 36. X value. Now find the value of the angles. Angle A is equal to 3x. So 3 into 36. 3 is the 18. 3 is the 9, 10. 108 degree. And angle B is equal to 2x. So 2 into 36. 2 is the 12. 192, 3 is 6, 92. If 108 plus 32 2, 2 is the 12, 2 3 is 6, oh, sorry, 2 3 is 72. 2 3 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 108 72, and this angle A is 108 degree, angle B is 72 degree. If you add 108 plus 72, so our answer is 180 degree. Means our answer is correct. Then after to find the value of angle C also. So angle C is equal to angle A, opposite angles. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Then angle D. Angle D is equal to angle B. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, this is the answer.